Hey folks, how you doing? This is KVUSMC or Kenneth W. Vire Jr. Hey y'all, today we're making my wife, and well, to help me and to help her out, a wreath hanger. And let me see, it's gonna go up underneath of here. In between those two, there's a mark right there. And over here there's a mark. Use my finger and a mark right there. It's gonna be like a closet rod. Over here is the piece of black top link rail for the fence that I ordered. It's like 28 bucks, but then I got the leftover up in there. Got the leftover right up in there. I got my wife in here watching me, and or instructing me how she wants it. But yeah, I got some old Stanley what do you call those things? They're just like stepper bars going between wood and that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna use those, and I already got my center and all that stuff, and I ground it down so I'm gonna MIG it. But that's gonna be the closet rod. And now I got it centered up. I got to tack it up. We'll tack that in up too, and then paint it all up. And then we've got a closet or a wreath hanger, or you can hang clothes on it if you want to, whichever. All right. Well, we'll be back in a second. All right. Okay, folks. Got this on here. Got to weld these Stanley straps. Not too bad of a weld. But I grounded all my paint off so you wouldn't have any trash or nothing in the weld. But yeah, left a little opening for air to get into so it won't sweat. I'll give a little tack up there to hold it in place. And I'll weld it. But there you go. She's solid, not the prettiest, but she's solid. All right. But we got her squared up and where we wanted it, each end. And there we go. Now we're going to paint her up. All right. There we go. All right. Be back shortly. Okay, everybody. We got our pole. Our rod hung up for the wreath hanger or anything you want to hang up, but we're going to use it for wreaths, the wife's wreaths. And now I'm going to take some wire, but you see how I got it done. Let me zoom in on that a little bit. Use some number 9 screws. Excuse me, number 8 deck screws. Shooting my finger, but there we go. All welded up and painted, touched up. I touched it up. So here we go. Definitely gonna need a reacher for these. All right. The wind is howling at her today. These wind turbines are just cranking it there today. Let me show you. There's my little girl, and there's Ruby. Those wind turbines are just cranking. Oh yeah, all right. Well, and here's some wreaths we're going to use. Hang up 4th of July, spring, that might be summer. But I'll let her organize the way she wants. All right, be back here shortly. Okay, folks, here we got 4 strands of wire, and we're going to twist it. And I got a center punch right there with a tapered end where I can drill it. It's hard to do one-handed and try to video too, but got my old 18-volt drill with a 20-volt battery on it with the converter. Adapter to make it go from NiCad batteries to lithium ion. So here we go. You got a whole lot of tension on it. All right, that's good. See how that stuff twisted it right on up? That's what you want. But yeah, that'll be all the strength that you need. Gives you a lot more flex. A lot more rigidity. All right, well, okay, let's get that off of there. Oh, we got 1 second. We got a bunch of hangers already made up. Here's one right here. And I've bent right across the top of the tube, or the thing right here. So, homemade. But good stuff to do when you're quarantined. Okay, sorry about that. So we go up here and hang it up on the rack. A nice little hook, nice and even, holds level. We're going to take this wreath right here and hang it up right there. There we go. Nice and orderly. Can move it down. We can probably get about 12 or more on here. Well, let's make some more and I'll show you the rest. But here's what it looks down the ground. Wife's gonna be really happy with that. And that's one of our bigger wreaths right there. But we'll just go right on down the line. All right, here we go. Okay, everybody, we got our wreath hangers all set and ready to rock and roll. And I made all my hooks, all by hand, twisting and drilling and all that good stuff. But this is the idea. Excuse me, y'all. But here are the hooks. I showed you how I made those. Twisted 4 strand. Make it tough and hold up. But yeah, there's 3 wreaths right there. That's 15 hooks total. So we should have enough room for a lot of wreaths. And to get a wreath down, take a pair of reachers. You can either grab it by the hook up here. Oop. Not a good one. All right, we'll try it down here. Oh well, might need a different type of reachers, but we'll try this. Grab it by the hook. There we go, and we got our wreath. We got our wreath down. Yay! All right, back in a minute, y'all. Well, to hang the wreath back up after we get it down, just simply, let me readjust this. 1 second. Okay, I think the best way to do this is not really the right kind of reacher, but what we'll do is grab our hook, like that, hang it up there. Then we'll just get our wreath. 1 second. Just get our wreath. And hang it up on there on the hook. Might need to go a little bit more. There we go. It's a little bit of finagling, but we got it. There we go. Then we'll just take and put it there together. We got it. So Right now, I have the Wreath. Sorry about that shaky, crazy video segment. But right now, I got all the wreaths up there. And what I'm trying to do is simplify. Christmas wreaths, winter wreaths, you name it. She's got more wreaths than you shake a stick at. That's good. Hey, whatever, you know, that's what I love her for. She loves to decorate. That's a lot of wreaths. So if I get them down, and she can come out here with a reacher, if I can just come out here with a different type of reacher, I probably need to get a different type of reacher for that. But as I say, you can just grab the hook or grab the wreath, and bam, you got it. It's like a department store or a pottery or something in it. But the wreath, the hooks we can spread out and all that good stuff. You know, where we want to. But if Mama's happy, everybody's happy. So, and you can store other things up here too. Just saying. But it's her stuff. But yeah, there she is. Probably I gotta get another type of reach for that, but that's all right. Zoom in a hair. Well, there they are. And here are the wreaths. So yeah, I started on that yesterday and finished up today. But I'll wrap this video up. Well, hey y'all, let me know what you think. Doing some DIY and just figure out a way to make things easier as, you know, we get older. I mean, you know, I'm 50 now, so, well, I'm just looking into the future. You know what I mean? Just make it easier on myself and everybody. Get stuff down. Hey, y'all, thanks for watching. God bless and Semper Fi. Please subscribe. Hey, y'all, hang in there. Everything's going to be okay. All right, now. Y'all take it easy. All right. Bye-bye. One more look at that job. All right. Y'all take care, folks. All right. Bye-bye. Everything's going to be okay.